Hello, Ivan. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. So today we are going to have our makeup class since I wasn't able to have class with you yesterday. So, hi Van. Last time what we had was we did reading and writing. Okay, but today we're gonna move now to speaking. Okay, so we have here speaking test one, part two of this pet. Okay, let me share to you the screen. So we have here identifying oneself, giving information about oneself, and talking about interest. So here, okay. So here, I have here some questions for you or for us to talk about. So first question, hi Van. Oh, I know your name. What is your name? What's your real name?
My name is Van.
Ah, your name is Van, not Hi?
Hi, Van.
Hi Van, but the first name is Van. Like a family name. Do you have a family name? Nguyen is your family name?
Yes.
Okay, and then your name is Van or Van. Do you have like
It's
that?
it's all same. It's all the
It's
same.
just the same. Okay. Now here, some people, Van, there are meanings in their names. Okay. How about your name? Did you ask or did you had a research on what is the meaning of Van? Why you have that name? Why your mom gave you that name?
In Hi, Van. Hải is like sea in beach. Van is the sky, cloud in sky.
Oh, so that's where you get your name. There are certain meanings. Oh, Van, who chooses your name?
My grandfather.
Your grandfather. All right. So that is what usually our grandparents do. They were the one who gave us names. Also here in my country, we sometimes give names to the baby. We follow the names of our grandparents, great grandparents because they have meaning to that. Now here, where do you come from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. How about, is there a countryside where your grandparents or your mom came from?
My mom came from Nam Định.
Nambit, is it a kind of countryside?
Uh, it's both countryside and both the city.
Oh, is it far from Hanoi?
It take 3 or 4 hours to take there.
Oh, it's so far. Imagine 3 to 4 hours. Is there a traffic or normal road? No traffic when you go there.
Uh, I don't really.
Okay, when you go to that place, Haivan, do you go or is there a road there that's traffic, meaning you are stuck in the traffic? That's why you will stay for 3 to 4 hours or
Yeah,
no traffic? There is. There is.
there
Okay, so that's the reason. Okay. Now here, Haivan, do you study English at school?
yes.
Yes. And do you like it?
Yes.
Yes, because as I have as I have observed from you, you are very good already in speaking English. Aside, if I'm gonna compare you with my other Vietnamese students, you are more fluent in speaking English. Oh, what oh no. How old did you start learning English, Ivan? When you're still
I started
studying?
learning English when I was 3 years old.
3 years old. And how about in the house? Does your parents talk to you in English?
No, never.
No. How about your mom? Does your mom knows how to speak English?
Yes, but just something basic like
Uh,
hello.
oh, why? Your mom didn't learn
Because
English?
when my mom was small, she her school like she wasn't learn English before when she was small.
Oh, how about your dad? Does your dad knows how to speak English?
Yes, because when my dad was bigger, um, uh, he learned English by himself, and
Oh, really? By himself only?
yeah,
Wow, that's so good. Learning by itself is not that easy. Okay? But then, now here, how good your dad is in speaking English? Fluent?
yes, but
Oh,
really like how my dad speaking English, because my dad is always money and money and money and money, and I don't like it.
ah, so your dad is more on talking about business, finding
Yeah,
some money like that. Oh, what's the work of your dad? Businessman?
I don't really know.
How about your mom? Does your mom just stay in the house or your mom
Sometimes
also
my
work?
mom stay in the house and work, but sometimes my mom goes somewhere to work. I don't know.
Oh, do you know what's the work of your mom?
I think my mom is like selling house, selling soil.
Ah, okay. Selling like a broker. We call it here in my country a broker, meaning you are the one who sells houses, realties, like lots, like that, properties. Oh, that's the work of your mom. Oh, that's a good work, you know? It's a very good work because
Yeah,
it will get you'll have a big money if you were able to find someone to buy that thing or that place. Okay, it's a good work here in my country. Okay, here. What time do you normally get up in the morning? Are you a morning person or no?
uh, when I when I go to school, I get up at 5 to
Mhm.
5:30 minutes. But now,
No school.
yeah, yeah, and I get up. Sometimes I get up at 4 a.m. and sometimes 9, 12, 8, 11. It's
Yeah. Oh, it depends because you don't need to be hurry in school because there's no school. Oh, that's good to know. Now here, Ivan, since you wake up, since sometimes you woke up at late already, what time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 12 or 1 hours when I go to
No school?
school, and
Uh-uh.
now I go to bed at 11 to 12 minutes to 12.
Oh, late already. That's why
Yeah,
you can wake up late also. Oh, so here, but that's okay because you are on your vacation, no school, no stress. You don't need to hurry because you'll just stay in the house, right? Now here, hi
yeah.
Ivan, what do you normally eat for breakfast? How about during breakfast time? Do you eat breakfast or no?
I always eat breakfast, but like sometimes I eat this, sometimes it's that, and it's not really the same.
Oh, but what are the usual food that you like to eat during breakfast?
I don't like to eat breakfast.
You don't like to eat? Okay. Yeah, there are also some people who don't usually eat breakfast. They don't, I don't know. Are you feeling hungry or no?
No, never.
No. So if you don't eat breakfast, Ivan, what time does you feel like you're hungry in a day? If you're not,
I
if
had
you,
no breakfast, no
yeah.
I can like I think if I don't eat breakfast and I don't eat the middle meal,
Yeah, snack.
I will feeling hungry when the afternoon start.
Oh, you're so I can't, Ivan, I cannot do that, eating breakfast, because if I don't eat breakfast, I feel like I feel dizzy. You know, I feel dizzy
Yeah.
whenever I go to school and I haven't eat breakfast. My tummy always make a sound, and then I feel like I'm dizzy when I don't do that.
Yeah.
But actually, it depends on a person like you. Okay, it's your habit already that it's okay not eating breakfast. So it depends on a
Yeah.
person. There's nothing bad about it. Okay, so here, let's do part 2. Let's discuss alternatives, expression, opinions, and making choices. So we have here the following. Okay, so these are examples of phrases that we can use to make suggestions. What are the examples, Ivan?
Making suggestions.
Yeah.
How about, what about, let's, why don't we, subject and can put.
Okay, so Ivan.
Respond to the,
Okay, so here, from these 5 examples of making suggestions, what are the words or phrases that you commonly do or commonly use, Ivan, to make suggestions
um
to your friends or to anyone?
I use how about most.
Okay, how about? Yeah, we're the same. So these are examples. Oh, can you give me an example of suggestion using the word what about?
What about,
Yeah.
if like if you are like if you are finding a suggestion uh for work, like for some active activities
Mm,
outside,
mm.
I will now tell you that, what about playing basketball at the school?
Oh, what about? And here, how about if someone will say suggestions to you? What is your usual response to that?
Mm,
What
I don't know.
usual response? What will you say if someone will say, Ivan, what about playing basketball? What's your response to the suggestion?
If someone tell that, for me,
Yeah,
the first answer not from me, but from my mm, we are we are always talking, but talking, three people talking to
yeah,
others. Then the other friends will be the first
to
one
respond.
who answer that suggestion.
Oh, it's not usually you. Are you a talkative student or not? You know what's a talkative?
Yes,
Okay,
but
are you?
I'm not
Yeah.
a talkative person. Student.
What kind of person are you if you are in school or if you are in your friends? Are you just a silent
Uh,
type, like just smile and laugh? Not.
yeah, just smile and laugh. Not say anything.
That's what you do. Oh yeah, there are really people who are like that, not so talkative. Meaning they will just like to listen. They will just laugh and smile, but they don't usually do the talking. Oh,
Yeah.
so here, Ivan, these are examples of respond to suggestions. We have, that's a good idea. That sounds great. All right. And I agree. Okay. Now here, how about useful language? These are examples of alternatives. Okay. Alternatives. Do you know what's an alternatives?
No.
If we say alternatives, these are the usual things that we say if the thing or the first thing that we suggest won't happen, or we don't usually agree to that. and then we think of another example or alternative.
Yeah.
Okay. What are
We
the
discuss
examples of alternatives?
which do you think it is the best? Yes, that is possible. It is difficult to decide, but I think it is more useful because it would be better too.
Oh, yeah. So here, these are examples of alternatives. But Ivan, may I ask you, do you usually speak English with your friends?
Not really,
Why?
because we are Vietnamese people.
Ah, so Vietnamese people don't usually speak English. If you are in
Yeah.
Vietnam, they usually speak Vietnamese. Am I right?
Yeah, I always speak Vietnamese. But
Anywhere.
when we are have a lesson of English or some activities, it's like we need to speak English. That the time we speak English, not
Oh, not all the time.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. That maybe you know what, Ivan, this is my own opinion. Maybe this is the reason why Vietnamese people or Vietnamese children finds hard to speak English whenever they
Yeah.
studied English for late. Late. You are early. You're early
Yeah.
because you started speaking English at 3 years old. But don't you know that there are still some students, like even not Vietnamese, like Koreans, Japanese, like them, they just
Yeah.
learn English when they're getting older. And I think it's a bit harder for them to understand freely. And the way you speak, it's different. Because I think, do you have S in Vietnam, Haiban? Letter S in the words.
Words,
Yeah.
letter S.
Yeah, S.
Yes.
You have?
Yeah.
But how come other children don't pronounce S if you say by plants? They will just say plant. Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, it depends. But that is the common, I think that's, yeah, I'll just say it to you. These are the common problems to students who are learning English because, yeah, the word is easy. When they try to read it, they don't pronounce S, like plants,
Yeah.
plants, or like that. So
Yeah.
that's what I have observed, because here in my place, in my country, or maybe in other country, even I have a daughter. I have a 5-year-old daughter. My daughter knows how to speak English already. I don't know why.
I think because the Philippine people they speak English as their usual language.
No,
In
we don't. Actually, me, I am a Filipino. I have a language in my place. We have our national language and English. Three. When I learn how to speak, I learn first our language in my place where I live. If I go to school, I learn the second one that usually used by all Filipinos. And then the third is English. But nowadays, children in my place and even in the school that I am working, they're very good in English because they watch YouTube.
I don't know,
You know
but
YouTube?
my friends and my parents say that Philippine people are really good at English because they speak English at a
Always.
usual hundred. I don't know.
No, we don't usually speak English. Only rich people. You know, rich people. If you are family of rich, their children are raised by speaking English. They don't speak Filipino language. They speak English. That's what they
Yeah.
do. But people who are not rich, they speak the language of the Filipinos, like that. That's what I think. But nowadays, even if you are rich or not, children nowadays here in my place, they know how to speak English because they watch cartoon movies in YouTube. You know Peppa Pig. Peppa
Yes.
Pig, yeah. Have you tried watching
Uh,
that? It's an English word. It's an English
When I
language.
was small, I watching that, but in our country, Peppa Pig speak Vietnam language, Vietnamese. So
Really?
I don't know.
There
Yes.
is a translation?
Yes.
Oh,
Uh,
I just
don't
knew it
know.
now. Oh, that's the reason why. Okay, okay. Because I am wondering why many other or foreign people don't know how to speak English, where in fact in my place, even small kids, 2 years old, three
Yeah.
years old, they can speak little English, like, can I have
Because
water?
they are
Like
very
that.
smart.
No, they're not very smart. It's because we don't have Filipino translation for the Peppa Pig, for the other cartoon movies. We don't have.
In
Only
in our
English.
country, there are most of them are translated. So
Ah,
maybe yeah.
okay. So that's the reason why. So because here, yes, we have Filipino cartoon characters, but we also people also or children also like English cartoon characters. If they watch movies like English cartoon characters, there's no translation to our dialect, to
Yeah.
our language. No translation, only English. If you watch a
Yeah.
movie, how about in your movie, Haivan? Watch foreign movies?
Yes.
You like English foreign movies?
Yeah.
And then there's no translation?
It's no translation in voice, but um, it's have letter below.
Oh. But in Vietnamese.
But if but the Peppa Pig, like some movie like Peppa Pig,
Yeah.
it's a
Viet-
movie for children. Then they, like, I don't know why, but they speak Vietnamese in that movie. All the time I see that movie. I don't know.
Oh, but have you tried watching cartoon characters in English there's no
Yeah.
Vietnamese like that? Have you tried it?
Yes.
Oh, that's the reason why. Oh, because here we are different. We don't have for children movies, we have Filipino cartoons. We also have English cartoons. So most of the time, children like to choose English cartoons
Yeah.
like that. And
Yeah.
I will share this to you. I am handling grade 6. I am a grade 6 teacher. Okay?
Yeah.
So it means my student is 11 years old, 12 years old.
Yeah.
That's my student. The hardest subject that they don't really understand well, that they find it hard, is my language.
Really?
Yeah, Filipino.
Oh.
We call it Filipino. Our language is Filipino. Okay, there is English language, like we have reading, we have the grammar subject in English, easy for them. But Filipino subject, like our language, hard for them to understand.
I
Like that. Oh,
really.
that's they say, teacher, what is the English of like that? They want me to translate the Filipino word into English for them to understand.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah. Especially Ivan, that I am in a private school.
Incredible.
Yeah, it's not I am working in a private school, not public school. So meaning parents should pay tuition, like
Yeah.
pay money like that in the school that I'm working. But there are also schools here that are for free, government schools. So if you are working in a private school, most of the time here, most of the kids here can speak English, can write sentences in English because they were thought how to speak English when they're still young, like
Yeah.
3 years
Oh.
old, like that. That's why I also think, how come they don't understand our language, where in fact that's our language.
Oh.
It's hard. Yeah.
It,
We have
it's
we have
really
to learn three.
incredible.
Yeah, Ivan, we have to learn three language. Language in the town that I am staying in the province. I am in the province. I'm not in the city.
I know that. I know that.
Yeah, we
Um.
have language in our province. Next, we have language in the entire Philippines. We call it Tagalog or Filipino. That one, that's hard for them to understand.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe that's the reason. Because they're really taught how to speak English. That's it. Okay. So that's the difference between us and our Philippines and Vietnam, because kids here are taught already how to speak English. Let's say, for example, my baby. When I speak to my baby, I said, "You want water?" When I translate it in my dialect, I will say, "Ganahan ka water?" So instead of using the word water in my language, we use water, the English word of that, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
word for word, we translate it to English so that
Uh,
kids will be easier for them to learn. Oh, so that's it. Oh, now I
yes.
understand. That's why I was asking why you're good in speaking and others don't. Oh, because you yourself, Ivan, you were taught when you're still young. Okay? That's it. So here, let's go
I
back. Yeah?
start to study English when I'm 3, but when I'm 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old, and 6 years old, I only sit, and I don't really remember that I understand what they are
Oh,
talking. I don't really understand what it is. Like I'm sitting, I am only sitting, do nothing,
you
you
just
know.
you just sit there and listen and you don't know what the teacher's talking about.
I know what they are talking about, but like I don't really like in the morning I study this, but then I don't remember anything when the afternoon comes, like that.
Really? Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Ivan, let's continue talking. You enter again to my Zoom because it's about to close,
Yeah.
okay?